Hello, I am PV Monisha, currently pursuing my first year MBBS at Government K-Pop Medical College. I studied at PS Senior Secondary School, Mylapore, and I did my crash course for NEET at Winners Academy, Adayar. Last year, 2019, at the same time, I was in a great confusion for selecting a good institute for NEET crash course. Finally, I chose Winners Academy only because of its approach and transparency. The faculty in Winners Academy are really amazing. I had Arnachalam sir for physics, Balaji sir for chemistry, and Chitra ma'am for biology. They all gave lots of tips and tricks in order to crack questions in a short span of time. Time management skill is one of the most important things in a competitive exam point of view. And speaking about Chitra ma'am, she is one of the best faculty for biology. She is well experienced and well updated for a lot of questions. Her classes will not be entirely theory based at all. She gives a lot of questions which are like about aims and JIPMER which kindle our minds, and she paves us the right path towards learning biology. And next, all these faculties were really approachable and friendly. They cleared all our doubts without any hesitation at all times. The highlight of the entire course was only the test series. Every day we got a bunch of questions. Every day there were tests on a daily basis in topics in physics, chemistry and biology. On a weekly basis we had integrated tests, and before the examinations we had full-fledged tests for NEET. Every day we used to solve about 100 or 150 odd questions that rounded up to about 40,000 to 50,000 questions at the end of course. This gave us a lot of confidence and the time management skill to crack all the questions in many competitive examinations. And the coordinators of Winners Academy, especially Sanjay sir and Vijaya ma'am, were really helpful. Like they got feedback on a daily basis about the teaching style and many other stuff, and they improved and implemented it only for our comfort. Even after NEET examinations, they helped us in our counseling process and also for choosing a good medical college. After I got into a medical college, they linked us with many of my seniors who had did their course in Winners Academy. That's really helpful. So the entire highlight of this session was because of the combined effort put up by both the faculties and the coordinators. So I would strongly recommend Winners Academy for all the NEET aspirants. So I convey my sincere thanks to the coordinators and the faculties of Winners Academy and my best wishes to all the NEET aspirants. Thank you.